Boost your NAS performance instantly with Seagate Iron Wolf. Have you ever faced the frustration of slow file transfer speeds and unreliable data storage? It's a common situation for teams managing multiple users and large files. And honestly, it is one of the most frustrating bottlenecks a growing business or creative team can encounter. Picture this. You are right in the middle of a major project. The deadline is looming, and your team needs to collaborate in real time. Instead of a seamless workflow, you are stuck watching a progress bar crawl across the screen. Or worse, the storage drive disconnects entirely because it just cannot handle the simultaneous pressure of multiple people trying to access it at once. When this happens, many people turn to traditional external hard drives or consumer-grade network-attached storage, or NAS systems, hoping they'll perform well under pressure. It makes sense on the surface. You see a drive with a high storage capacity, the price looks reasonable, and you figure it can handle the workload. But often, these solutions fall incredibly short. They quickly create massive bottlenecks, suffer from accelerated wear and tear, and simply do not possess the architecture required to support the simultaneous access needed by a modern, collaborative team. You end up spending more time managing your storage and dealing with downtime than actually getting your work done. Why do these conventional approaches fail so consistently? It comes down to design. Standard desktop drives are typically engineered for light, single-user environments. They are meant to be turned on, read or written to occasionally, and then spin down. They are absolutely not built to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, under a constant barrage of data requests from 5, 10, or 20 different computers at the same time. When you force a standard drive into a high-demand NAS environment, the physical toll is immediate. Standard drives lack the internal mechanisms to deal with the continuous mechanical stress. This leads to excessive noise, high operating temperatures, and severe vibration. In a multi-drive bay, the vibration from one drive shakes the drive next to it. If the drives can't compensate for that constant shaking, it causes tracking errors, slows your read and write speeds to a crawl, and can even cause catastrophic, unexpected drive failure. Ultimately, this interrupts your daily workflow, destroys team productivity, and puts your most valuable digital assets at extreme risk. Instead, you need to consider an advanced solution specifically tailored for multi-user NAS environments. This is where specialized engineering changes the entire equation. A true network-optimized drive offers performance built for file sharing, capable of delivering sustained data transfer speeds up to 180 MB or less. When your drive can sustain those speeds consistently, your team notices the difference immediately. Large video files open without lagging, massive databases load smoothly, and backups happen in the background without bringing the rest of your network to its knees. But speed is only half of the story. These specialized drives are heavily engineered for pure durability. They use advanced firmware specifically tuned for RAID configurations, which ensures that if a minor error occurs, the drive works intelligently with the NAS system to resolve it instantly, rather than dropping offline and forcing a lengthy, stressful volume rebuild. Furthermore, they are built with rotational vibration sensors. These sensors detect the microscopic movements inside a multi-bay enclosure and automatically adjust the drive's performance to compensate. This drastically minimizes internal wear and tear, keeps temperatures low, and ensures reliable, quiet operation year after year. One of the greatest advantages of moving to an enterprise-grade NAS drive is the integration of advanced health monitoring systems. Standard storage leaves you completely in the dark. You usually don't know a drive is failing until it completely dies. With specialized NAS firmware, the drive actively communicates with your network's operating system to give you real-time insights into its health parameters. It analyzes operating temperature, vibration, signal-to-noise ratios, and dozens of other critical metrics. By keeping a constant track of your storage health, the system can alert you to potential anomalies long before they become critical errors. This transforms your data strategy from reactive to proactive, allowing you to schedule maintenance at your convenience rather than scrambling during an emergency. On top of that, you get to enjoy long-term reliability and peace of mind. True NAS-grade drives are backed by robust manufacturer warranties that reflect their high workload ratings. They are rated to handle hundreds of terabytes of data writes per year, which is far beyond what any standard desktop drive could ever survive. And because true professionals know that hardware is only part of the equation, the best solutions include dedicated data recovery services. If fire, flood, or an unpredictable mechanical failure occurs, you have a team of elite data recovery experts ready to retrieve your files in a secure lab environment, saving you thousands of dollars in potential data loss. Switching to a dedicated network storage solution doesn't just protect your data, it completely streamlines your daily workflow and significantly enhances team productivity. It removes the invisible friction that slows down your business. Your team stops worrying about where files are stored or whether the system can handle their workload, allowing them to focus entirely on doing their best work. If you are ready to move away from unreliable storage and experience what seamless, professional-grade data management feels like, I'd like to show you a modern solution called Seagate Iron Wolf. It is specifically engineered with all the features we've talked about today, from rotational vibration tolerance to advanced health management. It has already helped thousands of teams and creators in the exact same situation as you, transforming their networks into powerhouse storage hubs. You'll find the link right below this video to explore the options and find the perfect fit for your setup.